At some point in the history of this earth, you were already a cloud. You could make it rain. You were already the mountains. You stood tall. You were already the birds. You could fly. You were the trees. You were so stable, so rooted. You were already a chameleon that could change color according to where it goes, according to where it passes through. You were already magic, a miracle. You were already all nature, and all nature is within you. You have so many superpowers within you, natural superpowers. So open yourself to this truth. Open yourself to nature. Allow it to guide you, to tell you what to do, what to say, how to be, what to eat, what to dress. Open yourself to this extreme intelligence you already have within you. So will you do this? Will you stop overthinking? Will you open yourself to your intuition? To allow things to be even better, things to be more connected, things to feel more in touch, more in tune. Will you start to love who you really are? That was my message from the Spirit for you.